Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we're going to have a look at the back Polytunnel. It's been quite a while since done anything in here video wise. Just been really busy, as I said in previous videos, but we're going to have a look at some of the stuff that we've got going in here. Tomatoes, chili peppers and a few other bits and bobs in. Right then, so let's start by ignoring all the mess at the bottom here. Been using here is storage whilst I empty the other shed at the moment. So on this back bed that's got the lining in it, if you haven't seen that video, there's a video of me lining this, so I can just fill this whole trough up with water. Saves so much time, and I'm hoping to do it with the rest of the polytunnel eventually. But first off, let's have a look at these tomato plants. These are all tomatoes all along here. We've got, I think, 3 sun gold, 2 of them tied up, same way that I've been doing last year and the year before, and one in the back there I've just tied it to the mesh, and hopefully that'll climb up there nicely. And then in between them at the back I've also got 3 cucumbers, telegraph, and hopefully they should fill out this entire area. Then we've got 4 honeycomb. These are cherry tomato. I've not grown them before, but I've heard a lot of good things about them. Some decent looking trusses on those. Then we've got 5 of the sweet aperitif, I think, but there's 2 of them tied up the usual way and 3 along the back there just tied to this mesh netting, same as the other ones. And next to that one there we've got another orange Wellington. This one wasn't looking too good, all the leaves had curled up on it and it was all yellowing out like this, but it seems to be coming back to after a bit of a feed. And then at the back there got chili peppers. So we've got 2, 4, 6 of the Hungarian hot wax. These are all quite small plants, but as you can tell they're all loaded with fruits. Once I pick these, plants should grow quite a bit more and hopefully get another set of flowers on them. I am going to come through and pick them before they go red, because personally I think they're nicer when they're that yellowy colour, especially for pickling, so I'm going to have a go at doing them. This one here is the hamilic, and then behind that we've got the long chili from Graham Barrett. This was the 2022 UK record, so hopefully we get something decent off that. I did have a few lower down, but I picked them off, and hopefully the ones at the top can grow something a bit longer. Little onion in the back there, plodding along. Then some more potatoes started here, and another cucumber that needs potting on. Not sure what this is. Oh wait, that's the label. Orange marmalade. That one, that's a new one to me, not grown it before. We've got fruit coming there, so hopefully they're nice. Got some calendula. They were sent by Ali D. Thank you very much for them, Alison. Spare Roma tomato plants. I might put a couple of these on just to put on this side. So I haven't got much over that side at the moment. And then all these were what was left over of the sweet peppers. There's 3 Hamilics and 1 Corno di Toro there. And then a rake more of the Hungarian hot wax. And that's what I'm going to do with these. Is just let these get a little bit bigger. Come through, take all the chilies off and repot them and see if we can get a bit of a later crop. Because since we put the little wood stove in here, might be able to keep it a little bit warmer later on in the season, so hopefully they should carry on fruiting. We've got a yucca plant, and I have no idea what that is. And then next to that we've got the onions that we did the comparison with the Atami feed and my own feed. This one is my own feed, and as you can see all the foliage has died off. It's pretty much time to harvest that one, but the Atami one is still going strong, and it's almost filled the top of this 20 litre pot. So considering that's only in a 20 litre pot, that is looking quite big. Very happy with that, and I'm quite gutted really that I didn't put it in a bigger pot, because I don't think it's going to grow too much bigger than that. And alongside them we've got all the cuttings from single seed potato challenge, but I'm not going to go into this too much in this video because I'm going to be doing a whole other video on these probably today, but that won't come out for a few days yet. And then grapevine that's planted outside and comes in through the hole in the pallet. It's growing quite nicely. It's only its 2nd year of being in the ground. I'll go out and show you that now. But that's pretty much everything what's in this polytunnel. We'll go and have a quick look outside and show you the bottom of that grapevine and the strawberries in the bed alongside the polytunnel. And if you haven't already guys, please do hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel, helps out the algorithm, and helps my channel get to people who haven't seen it yet. Right then, so this is the raised bed outside of a polytunnel, and here we've got some lemon balm, needs tidying up. The grapevine, that is going in through that hole. I've got another 2 decent branches on here. Is what I'm thinking of doing is trying to get this one to trail along here, to see if it does better inside or out. And then in this bed we've got loads of strawberries planted, still picking off these pretty much every day, or every other day at least. And then a couple of Cape gooseberries, and I just threw in a few of the spare tomato plants. But strawberries are doing really well in here. Only thing is I will have to dig them up this year just to top the bed up, because it's dropped a good 6 inches, so the plants are quite low down. I'd like the plants to be further up at the top and get them to hang over rather than being in there like that, losing the majority of them to rot. But that's only in this bed that's happened, so we'll pull them out, get it filled up, split the plants up. But some really nice strawberries in there. split the plants up, give them a bit more space, and I'm just going to fill this whole bed with strawberries, I think, for next year. Right then guys, so that is everything what is growing in the old polytunnel at the moment. Just like to say thank you very much for watching, and please do hit that subscribe button just down there. Helps out the channel and helps get the content to people who haven't seen it yet. So thanks very much, bye for now.